Dear sisters and brothers of my YouTube family, today we're going to look at the meaning of this word and an example with grammar. The word is apprehend. Apprehend. Apprehend means arrest, fear. Synonyms of apprehend are seize, capture. Example: the police apprehended the suspected criminals. The police apprehended the suspected criminals. Here apprehended is an verb. An verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That aeroplane was flying above the clouds. Thanks for watching. I will be back with another video. Bye!